Okay, this is a 2014-2015 Toyota Highlander. It has an electronic liftgate. Today I'm going to show you how to set it to the height you want and also reset it back to the manufacturer setting. So to begin with, you need to hit the button down there. Right here. Pushing one. When it's going up, hit the button one time and then keep holding it until you hear 4 beep. Now that's the height it will go to. So let me show you again. Okay, now I set the height already. Push it one time. See, you stop at that height. You want it set to the height you want. Push the button one. And then push one again. And hold it until you hear 4 beep. Look like this way does not work to set the height. It only works when the liftgate go up and not when it come down. If you don't hear 4 beeps, means it's not setting correctly. So if I want to set it back to the manufacturer settings, what you do is hold this, you hear 4 beep, and then keep holding it until you hear 2 more beeps. Yep, now it's back to the manufacturer setting. Let me show you. Okay, now you go higher because earlier I said lower. Let me show you, go all the way up. See it? Now you go all the way up. So that's how you reset it to the manufacturer setting and set it to the height you want. Alright, thanks for watching. Please hit the like button. Thank you.